Hi guys, welcome to IT Networking. So printer error 0xDB0436BC. So how to fix? Firstly guys, if you're using a HP and other printers, so please properly disconnect your printer with your LAN cable, your USB cable. Then totally shut down your printer and then again start. Then guys, open any browser and type HP. Enter your printer model number and download update your firmware. The first link to click. Then guys, extract this, scroll down and download this one, diagnostic, and this one, download scan doctor of the Windows and then run. Then guys, run. Okay, then close it. Next guys, disable IP version 6. So click to start button, then type control panel to run. Then view by category. Click to, then uncheck IP version 6, then apply, then close. Next guys, update printer driver. The same, open any browsers and download which is you need. Type HP and type enter and then type to driver. First link to click, then scroll down, download. This is driver. This is driver of the 80 MB and download and run. Okay. Thank you guys.